I added that when we recorded the record.
It would be hard to take it away from you.
You brought me back ribs.
Well, it depends on what kind of ribs you're talking about here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You are the proverb I often heard, but could not see. Caught in the river, lost in a word that spoke to me. Did I hear laughter on the great path that leads to ending? Sing ever after that epitaph to our pretending. Our future's been bending in bars of wrath along this path. I feel dying to ask why it has to be here. Someone was crying, was it a lie, or was it me? Accidents happen when I woke, things fell apart. You broke me open with words that spoke to a broken heart. To an the start along this path. This ground that was so hurt was broken, longing to feel the same, and living things are almost bursting. To let the breeze take all the sins when there's hardening to flow into the light. Like bridged in the hand, each grain of sand to understand. You are the proverb I often heard, but could not see. Caught in a river, lost in a word that spoke to me. That set me free, that let me be. Thank you. Now a song of bicycle envy. When I did